Good morning, students. Yesterday I taught about the area of y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. The area of y square equal to 4ax. The y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. X square equal to 4ay. Therefore, here the area is the 16 AB by 3. Okay, 16 AB by 3 is the square units. 16 AB by 3 is the square unit. Suppose one curve is given that y square equal to 4x. Another curve is x square equal to 4y. How to write this one? Find the area between the curves y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y. We can apply the formula is, what is the 4a equals to? 4a equals to 4. The value of a is the 1. 4b equals to 4. 4b equals to 4. The value of b is the 1. Therefore, a is 1 and b is 1. Then the area equals to 16 by 3. The area is the 16 by 3. Is it clear? This is the area. So, when the curves are in the formula of y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay, directly we can write the area is 16 AB by 3. Okay. This is also one of the important one. Now today these model types, this is the very important form, the delta power 3 by 2. The delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. The area enclosed between the intersecting quadratic curves y equal to a1x square b1x plus c1 and another curve is y equal to a2x square plus b2x plus c2 is the delta power 3 by 2 into 6a square units, where delta is the b square minus 4ac, a is the a minus a1, b is the b minus b1, c is the c minus c1. Dear students, this is the very important formula. So this is the very important formula, delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. So the important point is here, suppose here we are taking this is the x-axis, this will be the y-axis. The first curve is suppose like this. This is the first curve. Second curve is like this. Here these are intersect at the point here and here. Now we have to find this area. This is the curve 1, y equal to a1x square plus b1x plus c1, and another curve is y equal to a2x square plus b2x plus c2. Therefore, when the curves are here intersecting, this area, all of you listen here. Therefore, now we have to find this area. This is the x1. This is the x2. Is it clear or not? Here the x equal to x1, this is x equal to x2. How to find the area? Suppose the given curves, we are taking, all of you listen here, the y equals to a1x square plus b1x plus c1. Another curve y equal to a2x square b2x plus c2. Now the first one is 1, second one 2. Now 1 minus 2. This is taken 1. This is we are taking 2. 1 minus 2, that implies y minus y is the 0. y minus y is the 0. Therefore this is a1 minus a2, a1 minus a2 into x square, the a1 minus a2 into x square plus b1 minus b2, b1 minus b2 into x plus c1 minus c2. In the question is given that a1 minus a2, that is given that a1 minus a2 is the a, b1 minus b2 is the b, c1 minus c2, the c1 minus c2 is the c. Okay, that is the a1 minus a2 is the a, b1 minus b2 is the b, c1 minus c2 is the c. Therefore this is the a x square, this is the b, bx, c1 minus c2 is the 0. Okay, now here all of you listen here how to write this one. We are taking here, this is the curve ax square plus bx plus c is the curve. Now we can take here the discriminant is delta equals to, everybody know that b square minus 4ac is the delta. Now we have to find the area of y1 minus y2. The required area, how to find the y1 minus y2? All of you listen here. The required area, the area of the function, already I explained. When the two curves are there, this is the y1, that means f of x, this is the g of x. That means this is the y1, this is the y2. y1 minus y2, this is the y1 minus y2. What are the limits are x1 and x2? We are taking the limits are x1 and x2. That means x equal to x1 here, this is x equal to x2. The limits are, we are taking the x1 comma x2. Let x1 comma x2 are the limits. Let x1 comma x2 are the limits. When we are taking the y1 minus y2, the y1 minus y2 into dx. Therefore area equals to the area required area, the x1 x2, the y1 minus y2 we got this one. This is the y1 minus y2. That means ax square plus bx plus c whole of dx. Whole of dx. How to write this one? All of you listen here. Everybody know that the integral of x square is, everybody know that x cube by 3. That is a by 3 into x cube. The limits are x1 x2. Now this is b x square by 2. The x square, the limits are x1 x2. The final one is the cx. The limits are x1 x2. Is it clear? How to write this is, we can write a by 3 into, first you can substitute the upper limit, x2 cube minus x1 cube. Similarly the b by 2 is the, first you are substituting here the x2 square minus x1 square, c into this is x2 minus x1. So how to write this one? We are taking the common factor from these, which is the common factor is the x2 minus x1 is the common factor. Their remaining is a by 3. All of you listen here. The a by 3, here a cube minus b cube is the form a square plus ab into b square. What is this? A cube minus b cube is the a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now b by 2 into a square minus b square is the a minus b into the a plus b is the x2 plus x1. Finally we can put this is the c. Okay, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a plus b is the a square minus b square. Okay, now how can you write this one? This is the x2 minus x1. Everybody know that the x2 minus x1, all of you listen here. the x2 minus x1. Here we can observe this is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation having the roots x1 and x2. The x1 plus x2 is the minus of b by a. That is the product. Sum of the roots are minus of b by a. Product of the roots x1 into x2 is the c by a. That is c by a. Sum of the roots x1 plus x2 is the minus b by a. Product of the roots is the c by a. Now the x2 minus x1 can be written as x1 plus x2 whole square minus 4x1 x2. Is it clear? How to write this one? A plus b whole square minus 4ab. This is a square b square 2ab minus 4ab is the minus 2ab. A minus b whole square, square and under root cancel. Now this is x1 plus x2 is the b square by a square minus 4x1 x2 is the c by a. Now we are taking the LCM is a square. Now this is b square minus 4ac under root, square and root cancel a. This is the modulus of x2 minus x1 is, you can write directly the b square minus 4ac under root of a. How to write? This is a by 3. This is, you can write x1 plus x2 whole square. x1 plus x2, how to write this one? This is x1, a square is this one, b square is this one. Now we can write minus of x1, x2. Is it clear? A square is the first one, b square is the second one. 2ab plus 2ab minus ab is the x1, x2. Then you can write b by 2 into x1 plus x2 plus c. Okay, now how to complete this one? The x1 plus x2, all of you just you can listen here. The b square minus 4ac under root of a, okay, into this is a x1 plus x2 is the x1 plus x2 is the minus of b by a. Minus of b by a whole square is the b square by a square. That is b square by a square is the one time cancel. Okay, the b square, all of you listen, you can write first a by 3 into this is the b square by a square. Yes, b square by a square. x1 x2 is the c by a. Okay, after that this is x1 plus x2 is the c by a. Now this is, you can write when it is c by a, this is bc by 2 into a 2a. The finally is there c. Finally is there c. All of you listen here how to solve this one. Here we can write 1 minute. All of you listen here how to write this one. The area equals to under root of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac by a. Now we are taking the LCM is a square. A square is, how to write this one? When you are taking the LCM, a times this is b square minus ac by. Now here we can look here. This is a square is the LCM. One time a cancel. This is the 3a. Now we are taking the LCM is 2ac. That is bc. Okay. How to write that one? How to write this is x1 plus x2 is the c by a. That is a c by a. Therefore bc. Now we can write this is, how to write this one? This is the 2ac. 2ac by, how to write this is 2ac by, yes, 2ac by 2a. 2ac by 2a. Okay. Dear student, here we make a small mistake here. This is the x1 plus x2. Yes, the x1 plus x2 we can write here. What is the here? The x1 plus x2 is, this is minus of b by a. The minus of b by a means minus b into b minus of b square by, okay, 2 into a, 2a. Is it clear? How to get this one? The x1 plus x2 is there minus of b by a minus b square by 2a. Now we are taking the LCM is here. What is the LCM is? When we are taking the 2a, this is minus b square plus 2ac. Is it clear or not? Now after that we are taking the b square minus 4ac by a into, now we can write the LCM is 3a. The LCM is 3 into 2 is the 6a. 6a is the LCM. Now this is multiple with 2. That is 2b square. Yes. 2b square. Yes or no? 2b square minus 2. This is the, you can write 2b square. Yes. How to write this is, you can write here. What is this one here? That is the 2ac. We can multiple with only 2. 2 into b square, 2b square minus 2ac. Now this is multiple with 3. 3b square. 3 2 jar is the 6ac. Is it clear or not? Now we can write here. This is the b square minus 4ac by 6a square. After that this is minus of b square. This is the 4ac minus b square. 4ac minus b square. Therefore undoubtedly we are taking the here. Undoubtedly we are taking the minus is the common. Minus of b square minus 4ac under root of, this is the b square minus 4ac by 6a square. We have to know that the area is always positive. Put in the modulus. After we are getting the b square minus 4ac. This is the whole power 1. This is the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is the whole power 3 by 2. Is the denominator is there 6a square. Now this is nothing but delta. The b square minus 4ac is given by delta. Delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. This is our required area of the given two curves. Those are in the quadratic expressions. Okay. Dear students, here how to get this one? Delta power 3 by 2 6a square. Dear students, here we can observe the area of the two curve. Those are the quadratic expressions. All of you, y equal to is given that a1x square plus b1x plus c1. Another curve is y equal to a2x square plus b2x plus c2. When we can minus of this, y equals to ax square, b1 minus b2 is the bx, c1 minus c2 is the c. Where delta we are taking b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Suppose the b square minus 4ac we got negative, undoubtedly it's no area. Okay, the area is not intersecting curves. The area can't be found. Okay, understand students? And another one, all of you listen student. Find the area of the curves when not given that boundaries. When not given that boundaries, directly you can write the, what is the right? Delta power 3 by 2 6a square. This is the, where we have to know that a is the coefficient of x square. And one more thing is, this formula is also this formula is valid for only the discriminant is greater than 0. If the discriminant is less than 0, now in that case we cannot found the area. Suppose one more thing is there. One of them is quadratic expression and the other one is the line. Other one is the line. There is also we can write y1 minus y2. In that case we have to got y equals to, this is ax square, b1 minus m is the b, c minus c1 is some other k, that one. In this case also we have to find the delta b square minus 4ac. Then you can apply this formula. Okay, and one more thing is, suppose we can subtracting here, any common terms are there, don't cancel them. That is the very important one. What is the meaning of that one? Suppose we got here the y equal to some 2x square plus 4x plus 2 is there. Another one is there 2x. Now we can subtract here the 2x square plus 2x plus 2. That is we are taking y. But some students are some students are divided by 2. Undoubtedly you have to lose the answer into 2. So I am requesting you all, when you can apply the form, the common terms does not cancel in that equation. Is it clear or not? So this is the very important thing. Okay, dear students, how to find the area enclosed by the two curves? So all of you listen here, then compare this one. Simply this is the first curve can be written as into 4a is the by 4a, y square by 4a. Okay, the x equal to y square by 4a, the plus a is sending other side minus a. Okay, the second curve we can write into 4b is the by 4b, the minus x is the plus x equal to b minus y square by 4b. So we can write left hand side linear. Now subtract these two. This is taken 1, this is 2. 1 minus 2, that implies 0 equal to y square by 4a plus y square by 4b. This is the minus of a plus b. Is it clear? Minus a minus b, minus of a plus b. After that, y square by 4 is the common. Then you can write, what is this one? B plus a, that is a plus b. Is it clear or not? A plus b, all of you. A plus b by 4ab into y square minus of a plus b. What I explained, don't cancel the term a plus b. When you are cancelled, undoubtedly you did not get the right answer. Therefore here 4a we are taking the common is 4. Y square by 4 is the common. 1 by a plus 1 by b is the a plus b by ab. Therefore now we can write here. How to find the area. First we are find the delta. Delta is the y term is does not containing, that is 0. B square minus 4ac, minus of minus plus 4ac, a plus b by 4ab into a plus b. These are cancelled. We got a plus b whole square by ab. This is the delta. Okay. Now we are taking the capital A is the, what is the capital A is? A plus b by 4ab. This is the capital A. Now the formula is the required area. Just now we proved that the required area is delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. Now this is, you can write delta we got a plus b whole square by ab. That is, all of you listen, a plus b whole square, that equal to by ab whole power 3 by 2 upon 6 into a square is the a plus b whole square, by 16 a square b square, 16 a square b square. Now this is How to write this one? First you can write a plus b whole square. 2 cancel. That is a plus b whole cube. Now this is the ab whole power 3 by 2. Now reciprocal of this one. 16 ab whole square by 6 into a plus b whole square. What is the answer here? 2 8s are 2 8s are 2 3s are. At the same time, we can write here the a plus b 2 times is there, here 3 times. Now is remaining a plus b. One more thing is ab is 3 by ab power is 3 by 2. Ab power is the 2. That is 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 sending to the numerator minus. Now this is the 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 is the 1 by 2. ab whole power 1 by 2. That is root of ab. This is the area. 8 by 3 into a plus b. 8 by 3 into a plus b, root of ab square units. Okay. Now directly we can apply the two graphs. Undoubtedly we can write 8 by 3 into a plus b into root of ab. Okay. Similarly, one question is there, same model, that is y square equal to, the y square equal to 12 into x plus 3, and another one is y square equals to 20 into 5 minus x. So here we are looking, this is 4a. When you are taking the 4a equal to 12, that implies a equal to 3. Therefore, here 4a into, when you are taking a 3, 4a into x plus a, that is the first curve. Now this is compared with this one. 4b equals to 20. The value of b is the 5. How to write this one? 4b. 4 5s are is the 20. 4 5s are is the 20. b minus x. So these the given these two curves are, we have to compare this one. Just now we find the area is 8 by 3 into, what is the area? Area is, the area is 8 by 3 into a plus b, the root of ab, root of ab. Therefore this is, we can write 8 by 3 into a plus b. A plus b is the 5 plus 3 is the 8. Root of ab is the 5 3s are is the 15. Is it clear? Therefore the answer is given by here. 8 into 8 is the 64. Under root of 15 by 9. Under root of 15 by 9. This is, we can write root of 64. 3 5s are 3 3s are. This is the root of 64 by 5 by 3 square units. What is the answer? Square units. Yes or no? Root of, now this is the root of 64. Root of 64 by 5 by 3 square units. How to write this one? First we have to compare, this is y square equal to 4a into x plus a, and y square equal to 4b into b minus x. Then a is the 3, b is the 5. Just now we find the area of these curves by applying delta power 3 by 2 by 6a cube. This is the 8 by 3 into a plus b into root of ab. Therefore, that's its solution is root of 64 into 5 by 3. Right. Find the area. Find the area enclosed by the curve and the linear equation, that means straight line. So dear students, when the curve and the line are given, that its solution is simply, all of you first find the point of intersection. All of you listen here. We are taking the first point of intersection, then x is the common, x minus 2. Therefore here x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. These are intersecting. The line and the curve are intersecting, x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Therefore now everybody know that This is the x square equal to 4ay. When x equal to 0, all of you listen here. When x equal to 0, this is the 0. When we are taking x equal to 2, y is the 4. This is when we are taking x equal to 2, y is the 4. The remaining all this. This is the graph of y equal to x square. After that, we can take the graph of y equal to 2x. When you taking x equal to 0 is this one. When you taking x equal to 2, that is 4. Now this is the line. So now we have to find this region. Is it clear or not? Suppose if you are taking the in between value, that is a 1. When you are taking x is 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, suppose this is a 1, 1 point. But the line must be 1, 2. When we are taking the 1, undoubtedly this is the 1. 1 we got the 2. But the curve is the 1, 1. So that's why we can draw the approximate graph is this one. We have to find this one. How to find this one? So this is, first the boundaries are, all of you listen here. The boundaries are, this is the y-axis. This is the y-axis. This is also x-axis. So the area is, the required area, all of you listen here. The limits are, y-axis means x equal to 0. This is the line x equal to 2. The limits are 0 to 2. Now the curves are bounded by x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. This is the above, this is the below. We can write this is y equals to 2x, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 into dx. That is integral 0 to 2, that is the 2x minus x square. 2x minus x square into dx. Everybody know that the integral of 2x, integral of x is the x square by 2. 2 cancel. This is x square. After that, the integral of x square is the x cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 2. Okay. This is x square by 2. 2 cancel. The integral of x square is the x cube by 3. Now we can apply the upper limit is, this is the 2 square is the 4. Now this is minus of 8 by 3. 2 square is the 4. This is the 8 by 3. When we are taking the 0, 0 minus 0 is the 0. Now we can write this is 3 into 4 is the 12. 3 into 4 is the 12. 12 minus 8 is the 4 by 3. This is our required area. 4 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Area is the here. This is the 4 by 3. The required area is the 4 by 3. Now we can another method. Just now we completed. What is the area? Another method already I explained. What is the area? Both are curves. Both are quadratic curves. Already I explained y equal to a1x square plus b1x plus c1, and another curve is y equal to a2x square plus b2x plus c2. Both are quadratic curves. Are one of them quadratic? Here the one of the curve is the quadratic and another one is the linear. So this formula also applicable for both are quadratic curves, and one of them quadratic and another one is also linear. How to apply this one? All of you students, please concentrate here. The y equal to x square is given that, and y equal to 2x. Therefore, subtract this. Y minus y is the 0. X square minus 2x. Therefore, we got the x square minus 2x 0. A is the here 1. A is the 1. Therefore, the delta is the b square minus 4ac. Therefore, delta equal to b square is the 4, c value is the 0. Delta we got 4. Now the area, just now we know that the area equals to, what is the area? The area is the delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. 6a square. Delta power 4 power 3 by 2 by 6a square is the 1. Now this can be written as, how to write this one? 4 power 3 by 2 is the 4 root 4 by 6. 4 root 4 by 6. Now this is root 4 is the 2. That is 8 by 6. 8 by 6. We have to know that 2 4s are 2 3s are 4 by 3. This is the answer. So we can apply the directly. We don't write the diagram and this type we don't apply the different integrals. When you know that the direct formula is delta power 3 by 2 upon 6a square. Here first you can subtract the y equal to x square and y equal to 2x is there. First subtracting these two, then we got x square minus 2x equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is a equal to 1 and delta b we taking b square minus 4ac we got 4. The area is delta power 3 by 2 6a square. Delta means here 4. The 4 power 3 by 2 by 6. 4 power 3 by 2 is the 4 into root 4 by 6. Therefore now this is the root 4 is the 2. 4 2s are is the 8 by 6. This is our required area. We can apply this or this method. Is it clear? Okay students. Suppose the curve is there, y square equal to 4x and another curve is y equal to 2x minus 4. Dear students, here the y square equal to 4x is there. How to write the students here? The y square equal to 4x is there. First you can write x equal to y square by 4. After that we can take students, this is minus 4 is sending other side plus 4. That is the x equal to y plus 4 by 2. 1 by 2 into y plus 4. That is y by 2 plus 2. Dear students, you can write here, this is x equal to x1 minus x2. That can be, you can write y square by 4 minus y by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Y square by 4, yes, minus of y by 2 minus 2. Therefore delta is the here, delta is the here, undoubtedly b square minus 4ac. The b square is here. What is the b square is? 1 by 4 minus 4ac is the, you can write 4 2s are is the 8 into 4. Now this can be written as, is it clear or not? The b square is the 1 by 4. 4ac, the 4ac is the 4 2s are is the 8 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 2. That is 4 2s are is the 8. 9 by 4 is the delta. But a we are taking 1 by 4. A is the 1 by 4. What is the area? Area we have to know that delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. One of them is a curve, another one is a linear. Delta power 3 by 2. How to write this one? 9 by 4, 3 by 2 is the 9 by 4 root of 9 by 4. 9 by 4 root of 9 by 4. After that you can write 6 into a square is, what is the a square is? 1 by 16. Now we can write this is 9 by 4, 3 by 2 into, is it clear or not? 3 by 2 into, now this is a square is the, what is the a is? 1 by 4 whole square is the 1 by 16. Now this is 16 by 6. 16 by 6. Now we can write this is All of you listen here. 4 4s are is the 16. Now here you can write 2 2s are 3 2s are 6 6 cancel. Yes, 9 is the required answer. Yes, the 9 is the required answer. If you will try the diagram based also, we got the 9. Is it clear, students? If you will try the diagram base also, you can write the definite integral, you can apply the different integral. Undoubtedly we got the 9. The another observation is, when you can subtracting, don't common terms and don't simplification. When you can apply the simplification, undoubtedly you did not get the 9. Okay, so suppose if you are taking the y square by 4, you can write like this, y square by 4, that's it. You can disturb anywhere here, undoubtedly you got the answer is a mistake. Okay, therefore how to write this one? First you can write y square by 4, this is minus 5, this is the minus 2. After you can write delta equals to, we have to know delta equal to b square minus 4ac. b square is the 1 by 4, 4ac, that is 4 4 2 are 8. After you got 9 by 4, the a equals to 1 by 4. Delta power 3 by 2, delta is the 9 by 4, 9 by 4 root of 3 by 4. 6a square, that is 6 into a square is the 1 by 16. This is the 9 by 4 into 3 by 2, 16 by 6, that is the 9. Okay, students, right. Dear students, here area one of the curvilinear triangles formed by the y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x and the x-axis. Dear students, here so here this is the one, sin 0 0, all of you listen students here, sin 0 0, sin 90 value 1, and also we know that, dear students, here first 45, after that 90, 3 pi by 4, next pi, sin 0 0, sin 90 is the 1, sin 3 pi by 4, all of you listen here, sin 3 pi by 4, this one sin pi 0, this is the sine graph in between 0 to pi. Clear, students? Is it clear? But the cos 0 1, cos 45, cos 90 0, cos 90 0, cos 3 pi by 4 is the minus 1, cos pi is the minus 1. Here this is the graph of this one. So curvilinear triangle means, this is called the curvilinear triangle. For example, minus 90, we have to know that cos of minus 90, everybody know that cos 90 is the 0. This is the curvilinear. One of the curvilinear part is this one. How to find this one, curvilinear part? So here, dear students, these are intersected pi by 4. Since sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. This is the 0. First you can write the required area. That means curvilinear triangle. This is the triangle, curvilinear triangle. This is the curve. So how to find this one? First these are bounded by 0 to pi by 4 and x-axis, after that pi by 4 to pi. First you can write 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, this curve is the sin x. Sin x dx. After that pi by 4, we can write the area of the one of the triangle. Pi by 4 to pi by 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2, this is the curve cos x. This is the graph of the cos x. This is the sin x. So we have to find this region area. Therefore 0 to pi by 4 is the sin x. Pi by 4 90 is the cos x. Pi by 2, pi by 4 90, this is the x axis, this is the curve. Here this is 0, this is a pi by 4 line, but here this is the curve, this is the x-axis. Therefore 0 to pi by 4 is the sin x, pi by 4 to 90 is the sin x. We have to know that the integral of sin x is the minus of cos x. 0 to pi by 4. Integral of cos x is the sin x. Pi by 4 to 90. Now we can apply the limits, that is minus of the cos 45 is 1 by root 2. The cos 45 is the 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 is the 1. Cos 0 is the 1. Next you can write sin 90 is the value 1. The sin 90 is the value 1 minus of sin 45 is the 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is the 1 by root 2. Now we can write this in minus of minus plus. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Is it clear, students? 1 plus 1. 1 plus minus of minus plus 1. 1 plus 1 is the 2. After that, this is minus 1 by root 2. This is minus 1 by root 2. Minus 2 by root 2. Now this can be written as 2 minus root 2. Okay, what is the answer? 2 minus root 2 square units. Okay, students, 2 minus root 2 square units. Okay, this is today's students. Tomorrow class I will continue in the tomorrow class remaining models. Okay, please practice. Okay, thank you all.